Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for ignition coils on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Also guys, in addition, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the ignition coils, fuses and relays, let's explain on that Jeep Cherokee where you can expect to find them guys. That Jeep Cherokee right here, quick advice, we have some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why guys we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Very helpful video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do now, we need to open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to and most people know about it as well. Facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift that cover up and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys, so you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, here for the ignition coils, which fuses and relays we need to check. The first fuse that we need to check specifically for the ignition coils, we're talking about fuse number 16. Do you see that fuse right here? That's fuse number 16 guys. Okay, that's the one that you will need to check. The relay is known as a K2 relay right here as well. Now, if you still have problems guys, those are the main fuses and relays, you may need to check the fuses for the engine computer and relays for engine computer because there will be a few more. So check them as well if you have problems with not getting spark, ignition coils not working, always check these fuses too. Video will be on the channel if you need help with that. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.